Planning to travel or move around Europe? In this video, I'll show you how to use Revolut in Europe with no hassle. Let's get started. First, make sure your Revolut account is set up and verified. If you haven't already, download the Revolut app and go through the sign-up process. It only takes a few minutes. Once your account is active, you can top up your balance using a bank card or bank transfer. Revolut supports multiple currencies, so you can convert your money into euros right inside the app, often with better rates than traditional banks. When you're in Europe, just use your Revolut card like any other debit card. It works for contactless payments, chip and PIN, and ATM withdrawals. You'll also get instant spending notifications and great exchange rates, making it easy to track your budget on the go. Need to split bills or send money? You can do that instantly with other Revolut users, even across borders. If this video helped you feel more confident using Revolut in Europe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel-friendly tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and safe travels out there.